This is KNEB.TV weather from the Arby's Weather Center. Arby's, we have the meats.
Well, we're going to be dealing with a winter storm here this evening. Snow is going to be falling by 10 o'clock or so. Windy conditions will really kick in overnight tonight. That's when the worst of this weather is going to be setting in. We do have a significant winter storm on the way in. Blowing snow threat is going to be high with this storm system, folks. So you really need to pay attention. Accumulating snow is going to happen as well, and we're probably going to remain windy throughout the week. Normal highs this time of year, 14 and 41. We were up to 53 yesterday. Got into that vicinity today as well. Nothing in the rain gauge. We will add to that, though, over the course of the next 24 hours. Here's the cold air. You can see it settled in off to our north. It's coming off to the south. Still some mild conditions here on the Front Range of Colorado, 24 in Lincoln. It's been colder on that half of the state all day today, and colder in the eastern panhandle as well. Still only 22 in Oshkosh, 24 in Sydney. We had a tough time warming up in those areas as we didn't have enough sunlight. We had some fog that settled into those areas earlier today. 30 in Bridgeport, 35 in LaGrange, but here's that cold front off to the north. It's going to bring in those cold northerly winds, and you can see they're already up. Lusk at 20 mile an hour winds right now. Chadron about 12 mile an hour winds. Everybody else below 10 for now. That is coming our direction, though, as this system rolls through. Wind chills, coldest to the north, obviously, where those stronger winds are. Still only 15 for a wind chill right now in Sydney. Well, here we go. This is what we've got. Winter weather advisories now cover pretty much, well, they now cover the entire state of Nebraska. As you can see, the winter weather advisories go clear into portions of northeastern Kansas, northern Kansas as well. And winter storm warnings are in this pink shaded area. We have a blizzard warning out here for this area in Colorado, the Lyman area over to Goodland. This is east of Denver. Here's Denver. So just east of Denver, that I-70 commute. Blizzard warnings in that area, mainly because we expect the winds to be strongest in those areas. Here to the north where we're at, we have winter storm warnings out for the Cheyenne, Wheatland, Torrington, Lusk areas, over to Harrison, and then down to the south here. This includes Kimball, Sidney, Harrisburg, those areas under winter storm warnings. The rest of the area under winter weather advisories, they're in effect now. They go through 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, although I think the worst of the weather is going to be over the next 6 to 8 hours is when I think we'll have the worst of the weather here across the region, and then winds are going to pick up and make things quite miserable. So here we go with our future cast. Here's the snow. You can see it coming off to the south tonight, and those winds howl in, bring the snow with it across the area. And once the snow gets here overnight tonight, it's going to stay with us. Winds are going to be around as well, and temperatures tonight going to fall into the teens to low 20s is all for low temperatures. It's going to be cold. Those are pretty much going to be about our highs for tomorrow as well. As you can see right here in the North Platte River Valley, upper teens to around 20 degrees. Tomorrow, there's the winds. Still some morning snow flurries or snow showers. Those should push out, but notice the winds are not relaxing. They stay with us as we go through the afternoon hours into the evening hours, and then finally overnight they die down a little bit, only to really pick back up again on Wednesday. Wednesday, I think, is going to be another breezy to windy day here across the area. Probably not quite as windy as tomorrow. Lots of folks wondering about snowfall. We'll get to that in just a moment. Let's show you forecast highs for tomorrow. We're going to be right around that 30-degree mark is all. His temp's going to be cooler, much cooler than what we've been over the last couple of days. So snowfall, what are we looking at in terms of snowfall totals? Well, let's start at Scotts Bluff. Here's the forecast models as we put these out through tonight. You can see they kind of bounce around just a little bit, but it looks like depending on the forecast model as we go out here through totals, somewhere in that vicinity of 1.5 to 3.5 inches, depending on which of these four forecast models you look at. Now we'll look at Alliance, very similar. You can see, although we have a couple of ones want to pick up a little bit more snow, this GFS model wants to pick up maybe around 3 inches. Everybody else in that 1 to 1.5 inch range for the Alliance area. Bridgeport, now we've got one model that's kind of outdoing the others here as it goes up a little higher, but we're looking somewhere again in that 1 to 3 inch range for the Bridgeport area, maybe a touch more in a couple of areas. And then for Kimball, here off to the south, some of these models kicking out maybe 5 to 6 inches of snow, most generally that 2 to 5 inch range. So it does look like the heavier snow may be just a little further into the southern panhandle. Here's my official forecast then for snow totals. We'll put these away and show you 1 inch to 2 inches, Alliance over to Scotts Bluff, maybe 3 to 6 around Chadron. Might see a pocket of some heavier snow here around Kimball as well. 2 to 4 inches in Lusk. As we zoom into the local area, 2 to 4 Harrisburg, maybe 3 to 6 LaGrange over to Albin, 1 to 2 in Torrington, 1 to 2 in Bridgeport, Alliance, 2 to 4 in Dalton. Again, this storm system is not going to be remembered for total snowfall. It's going to be remembered for the wind that's going to pick up. Blowing snow, especially after midnight tonight. Windy conditions, 21 for a low. 2 to 4 inches, 1 to 3 for most of us here in the immediate area. Just a few flurries tomorrow, but there's going to be blowing snow around as well. That'll still reduce visibilities tomorrow. 33 for a high. And as we look out 7 days, we don't have much change. Flurry's going to be around through the rest of the work week, it looks like. And temperatures up and down a little bit. We'll be in the 40s Wednesday, back to the low 30s Thursday, up into the 40s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then back into the 30s again on Monday as we continue to go up and down. But overall, we're trending toward a colder, active, breezy to windy pattern here for the next 7 to even 14 to 21 days. No major changes in this forecast pattern appear to be coming.